Hey guys, just want to share my first design in Tinkercad. So basically I want a mount for my phone. It's pretty big. So the regular mounts which I found on the Thingiverse or anywhere doesn't fit. So I decided to make my own. I also have this old wireless charger which I want to use. So I start designing, and this is my first design prototype. Looked pretty well, so tried different options. And in the end I decided to go with this. So the features, you can see it has little grooves for this thing to snap in. Let me show you how it works. So there's a notch for this cable, and then you just simply plug it in, and then it just snaps like this. So for the charging part, just put your phone. I start charging, and if you're watching something, you can just use these handles on the side and then use it like this. Everything is designed in Tinkercad, pretty easy. Just give it a try.